everyone, welcome to today's video, which is part 2 of our condo hunt, and we are going to Bangsar South to see the estate. It's really nice there. I like it.
It is. I think you guys will like it as well.
Yeah.
It's representing Realty with the new condo building, and a big shout out to Kieran, who's the estate agent who showed us around.
Yep, so we'll get straight into the video. If you like it, please subscribe, leave us a comment, and we'll leave you all the details at the end of the video.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so that was a unit at the estate in Bangsar South. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We really liked it. It was brand new. Shame about the stairs, obviously, that's not going to be doable for me, but everything else was perfect. We liked the facilities, we liked the area. It was really nice.
A lot of green space, and immediately around you, you had stuff. You've got a nasty Kandar place right on the corner. You're 2 to 3 minutes walk to the Nexus Mall, which had pretty much everything. And you're probably about a 15-minute grab ride into central KL, so that Golden Triangle area.
Yeah, no, good location. I really liked it. Massive thank you to Kelvin for showing us round. He was brilliant. And I think that's all we've got.
Yeah, we've got one more condo hunt video coming up, and it's going to be a big one. We are going to be seeking out some condos in central KLCC. So if you like this video, you like the previous video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.